6 million Jews. The National Education Association forgot to mention them. The National Education Association, 3 million members, the largest teachers' union in America, published its 2025 handbook with a section on Holocaust Remembrance Day. Here's what they wrote. Recognize the more than 12 million victims of the Holocaust from different faiths, ethnicities, races, political beliefs, genders, and gender identification, abilities and disabilities, and other targeted characteristics. They listed every category they could think of except one: Jews. The word Jews does not appear anywhere. But in that same document, the NEA had plenty of room for the Palestinian Nakba. They described Israel's founding as forced, violent displacement. They committed to teaching all 3 million members about Palestinian suffering. They pledged to teach that anti-Zionism is not anti-Semitism. So, let's be clear about what happened. The same editorial hand that erased Jews from the Holocaust inserted a one-sided Palestinian political narrative in their place. This is not a typo, this is replacement. When journalists discovered it, the NEA pulled the handbook from their website. No correction, no apology, just gone. But the internet has a long memory and every word is on the record. They didn't forget, they chose. The people who shape what your children learn about history decided that Jews don't belong in the story of their own genocide. Subscribe and share. Every parent needs to see this.